Hey, how you guys doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And about a week ago, maybe it was 2 weeks ago, man, when you get old, just lose track of time because there's no such things as weekends when you're not working. Every day is a weekend, so kind of lose track. Anyway, I ran across this couple of weeks ago on the Radio J. Allen website. Now, I've showed you other articles on his website. He does a ton of reviews in detail, very technical about radios, new and old. And this one caught my eye because these two radios, which apparently are identical, the realistic DX-440 and the Sangean ATS-803a, have been on my wish list for over a year. I've been trying to find a good one, reasonable price. They're kind of pricey, although they're quite old. And I really didn't know too much about them, but now I do based on Jay Allen's review. Here's his review. He goes into a lot of details. Oh, here it is. He posted it August 14th. I don't know if he had a date up here before. I asked him when I requested permission to show this. I asked him when he posted it, and that it would be nice if he would put a date on his post so you'd have some reference of how new or old the data is. So he just reposted it back on August 14th, and that's when I found it. And if you go down, where is it? Okay, where is it? There, you have to click. This is just kind of an intro, and then here's the page with all the details. And he goes inside the radio and discusses the parts and all that kind of thing. Here's the detailed specs on this radio. It is, when we go back up here, AM, long wave, shortwave, and FM. In the overall reviews, not detailed like this one, kind of say it was a good radio, but then there was a couple of them that said the DX-440 had some problems. And Jay goes into infinite detail about these two radios. See, look at the detail. Man, he just, I love his reviews. And bottom line, he recommends these. It says, all in all, the DX-440 and ATS-803 lived up to its reputation. And I assume that means good reputation. So check this out. This is definitely on my short list for radios to add to my collection. And if I can get my hands on one, a good one, I will do a detailed review. Probably not as good as Jay's. So check this out. His website is radiojallen.com. And if I go to the home page, here he is right here. I think he said, he did reviews for one of the major radio magazines when they were still in business. A lot of those have closed down. But he reviews a lot. Look at all these radios that he's reviewed. On and on and on and on. So I go to, when I'm thinking about getting a radio, I go and review his review, or read his review, because his reviews are excellent. Here's one I'm thinking about too. It's only AM, FM weather. And it's a little pricey, $56. So I could spend an hour showing you his website, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let you go. Check out his website, Radio J. Allen. He's got reviews of radios, comparison of radios, information about things related to radios. Like here's a section on combating AM, FM, shortwave interference. Pretty cool. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.